Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Bobbi Boss, and this is the WhatLace Blondie series collection. Now, when I first saw this collection, there was one wig that I wanted, but she was sold out, so I ended up getting this one, and her name is MLF925 Idalia. And I got her in the color 613A. Now Idalia comes with HD lace. She has the baby hair. She has a 5-inch lace parting space, lightweight cap for all breathability, and she's high ventilation. She has a high ventilation cap. She's a premium synthetic wig, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. Now Miss Idalia has the 2 combs in the front, the one in the back, and adjustable straps. Baby, let's go ahead and get into this install. Right now I'm just taking my foundation brush to tint this lace with the leftover foundation that I used to put on my makeup, and then I'm going to clip this hair all the way back and pull back the baby hairs because I actually want to glue down this wig properly. This wig is a middle part wig, so I'm just making sure that this is actually centered and pulling back these baby hairs. Alright, right now we're cutting the ear tabs, and I'm actually going to cut this wig into, or this lace, sorry, into 3 sections so I can get a proper lay. The adhesive I'm using today is Got To Be glue. I'm going to spread down 1 layer of the Got To Be glue because I'm taking this off just to do another wig review anyway. So I'm going to do 1 layer evenly across and then use the blow dryer to get it tacky enough so I can lay the lace down in the 3 different parts that I cut the lace in. Right here I'm using the back end of the comb to secure the wig to that glue to make sure it doesn't move or go anywhere, because that's the spot that I want. And then I'm taking this elastic band to further melt the lace to my forehead. So as I started combing out this wig, I started to realize how thin it is, and also the shedding was something serious. I'm not gonna lie, we're shedding a lot. I'm actually gonna turn around so you can see the back of the lace. And as you can see, you can literally see the tracks right back there because that's how thin this lace is back there. Like, this was giving Barbie. This was giving Black Barbie for real. Like, ugh. Bobbi Boss, you could have came a little bit thicker than that, baby. Now that the glue has dried, I'm just going in a zigzag motion to cut this lace. Now I'm taking my Ebin melt spray to give me that extra melted natural look that I'm looking for. Do you see how this adhesive just literally melted that lace right into my skin? That's what I'm talking about, baby. Now blow drying on a cool setting so that the adhesive can actually dry. I'm going to finish up styling this wig, and then I will come back and let you know my opinions on Miss Thing. So here are my thoughts on Miss Thing. I like the color. I like the style, especially how it looks on the stock card. I like the fact that she's big head friendly and her HD lace was lacing, and I was able to put her on with no issues, no problems, no nothing. Like, she actually melted the way she was supposed to, like no issues. But the cons, on the other hand, she shedded like crazy. She was very thin on top of that. So she's shedding and she's already thin. You can see all the tracks in the back. I think Bobbi Boss needs to go back to the factory with this one and fix her a little bit, make her a little bit thicker, or add some more tracks. Other than that, she is a cute wig. Like, as you can see, she's making my melanin skin look, beautiful. Would I buy her again? Negative. That's a negative on that. I'm not buying her again. So that means I wouldn't take her anywhere. Period. Listen, folks, if you like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie, every time I upload a synthetic wig that you're interested in, you will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. Thank you. Bye-bye.